Have you ever seen a bird that looks more like a creature from another planet than something that actually flies through our skies? Nature has produced some truly unbelievable birds with bizarre shapes, impossible colors, and prehistoric appearances that seem too strange to be real. From giant hunters that kick snakes to colorful performers that transform before your eyes, these incredible birds will completely change the way you think about the avian world. Stay until the end, because the #1 bird has a talent so extraordinary that most people refuse to believe it exists. Great Potoo. The Great Potoo is one of the most mysterious birds on Earth. Found throughout Central and South America, it spends nearly its entire day standing perfectly still on broken tree branches. Its camouflage is so effective that even experienced bird watchers can walk right past it without noticing anything unusual. Its enormous yellow eyes are specially adapted for seeing in complete darkness, allowing it to hunt insects and small bats at night with remarkable precision. During the day, it stretches its body vertically and closes its eyes almost completely, making itself look exactly like part of the tree. Instead of building a traditional nest, the Great Potoo simply lays a single egg inside a natural hollow on top of a broken branch. Its haunting nighttime call echoes through tropical forests and has inspired countless local legends about spirits hiding among the trees. The long-wattled looks like something designed for a fantasy movie. Native to the humid forests of Colombia and Ecuador, this rare bird is famous for the enormous feathered crest covering its head like an umbrella, and the long inflatable wattle hanging from its chest. Males use this strange ornament during courtship displays, producing deep booming calls that can travel through dense rainforest. The larger the wattle, the more attractive the male appears to potential mates. Unfortunately, this extraordinary species is becoming increasingly rare because of habitat destruction. Today, seeing one in the wild is considered a remarkable experience even for professional wildlife photographers. Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon is the largest pigeon species in the world and one of the most elegant birds ever discovered. Native only to the forests of New Guinea, it can weigh over 2 kilograms and is instantly recognizable by its spectacular lace-like blue crest. Unlike city pigeons, this giant spends most of its time walking across the forest floor searching for fallen fruits, seeds, and insects. When disturbed, it explodes into flight with surprisingly powerful wing beats. Its royal appearance earned it its name in honor of Queen Victoria. With its brilliant blue feathers, crimson eyes, and elaborate crown, it looks more like a mythical creature than an ordinary pigeon. Secretary bird. The secretary bird is unlike any other bird of prey. Instead of hunting from the air, it patrols the African savanna on incredibly long legs that allow it to walk more than 30 kilometers every day. Its favorite prey is snakes, including highly venomous species such as cobras. When attacking, the secretary bird delivers lightning-fast kicks with forces strong enough to kill its target in seconds. Its name comes from the long black feathers behind its head, which reminded early European settlers of the quill pens once tucked behind the ears of secretaries. Elegant, intelligent, and deadly, it is one of Africa's most fascinating hunters. Superb bird of paradise. The superb bird of paradise performs one of the most astonishing courtship displays in nature. Living in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea, the male undergoes an incredible transformation whenever a female approaches. It spreads its feathers into a perfectly symmetrical black oval, while revealing an intensely glowing blue shield across its chest. From the female's perspective, the bird no longer looks like an animal, but like a strange animated symbol floating through the forest. Scientists believe this remarkable display evolved over millions of years through sexual selection, creating one of the most visually extraordinary performances in the animal kingdom. Andean Cock-of-the-rock. The Andean Cock-of-the-rock is impossible to ignore. Males display an enormous circular crest that almost completely hides their beak, combined with brilliant orange plumage that seems almost unreal against the green forests of the Andes. During the breeding season, dozens of males gather in special display grounds known as leks. There, they jump, bow, flap their wings, and compete in elaborate dances, while females carefully observe every movement before choosing a mate. Despite their flashy appearance, these birds are surprisingly difficult to spot outside the breeding season because they remain hidden among dense mountain forests. Southern Cassowary. The southern cassowary is often described as the closest living relative to dinosaurs. Native to the tropical rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, this enormous flightless bird can stand nearly 2 meters tall and weigh more than 70 kilograms. Its bright blue neck, vivid red wattles, and massive helmet-like casque give it an unmistakably prehistoric appearance. Hidden beneath its powerful legs are dagger-like claws capable of inflicting serious injuries if threatened. Although naturally shy, the cassowary plays a vital role in rainforest ecosystems by spreading the seeds of hundreds of plant species, making it one of nature's most important gardeners. Shoebill. The shoebill has one of the most intimidating faces in the entire animal kingdom. Native to the swamps of East Africa, its enormous shoe-shaped bill can reach nearly 25 centimeters in length. This patient hunter can remain absolutely motionless for long periods before launching an explosive attack on fish, lungfish, baby crocodiles, and even young turtles. Its piercing stare has become legendary among wildlife photographers. Closely related to pelicans rather than storks, the shoebill often appears so ancient that many people describe it as looking like a dinosaur that somehow survived into the modern world. A Harpy Eagle. The Harpy Eagle is one of the strongest birds of prey ever recorded. Living in the tropical forests of Central and South America, this magnificent hunter possesses talons larger than the claws of a grizzly bear. Its broad wings allow it to maneuver effortlessly between dense trees while hunting monkeys, sloths, and large birds high in the rainforest canopy. A single strike is often enough to capture prey weighing almost as much as the eagle itself. Its impressive double crest and piercing gray eyes create an almost mythical appearance, making it one of the most awe-inspiring predators on the planet. Superb Lyrebird. The superb lyrebird possesses an ability so extraordinary that it almost sounds impossible. Native to the forests of southeastern Australia, This remarkable bird can imitate virtually any sound it hears with astonishing accuracy. Researchers have recorded lyrebirds perfectly copying chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, barking dogs, crying babies, construction equipment, and dozens of different bird species. Some individuals can combine these sounds into long performances that last for several minutes. Males also display magnificent tail feathers shaped like an ancient lyre during elaborate courtship dances, combining breathtaking beauty with perhaps the greatest vocal mimicry on Earth. The superb lyrebird easily earns its place as the most unbelievable bird on this list. Which of these incredible birds surprised you the most? Was it the dinosaur-like shoebill, the snake-hunting secretary bird, or the unbelievable lyrebird that can imitate almost anything it hears? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed discovering these amazing creatures, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to VORYX, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable facts from the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.